This is Kay, and I'm actually going to be showing a product I got from Livegood. So this is the Livegood product that I just got, just ordered. You can see right here that is from Livegood. And I got to Livegood actually because I actually wanted these products. But here's the thing I'm seeing. I don't see a lot of info out there about the products, you know, when you get them. So I'm actually doing this video to unbox what I got, because I want to show people that the kind of products that they're sending out. Because when I was looking for information about the products, I wasn't seeing much in terms of seeing the actual products up front and actually getting a demo of what they are inside and how they taste. So this is what I got. I got the organic coffee. I really love this. I've ordered this before. I actually have it like coffee. I drink it like regular coffee. So I had creamer and sugar to it. It tastes really good. Really good. Different than coffee. You know, that strong, dark taste. And then this is my newest one that I got. So I'll actually show you later what it looks like after I make it. But I got the protein-based thing here. Vanilla flavor. I'm actually going to use it as a smoothie. And that's why I bought it. That's actually why I joined Livegood, because I wanted to try this product. But at the moment when I was getting products from Livegood, I already had a big bottle, so I just didn't want to get the bottle and use it. So this is what I got from Livegood today. I got the protein kind of shake. That's what I'm going to use that for. And then the organic coffee. So I'm going to do a demo of how I make the protein shake so you can actually see it. Now on the instructions, they probably tell you to use water. It says 1 ounce of water. No. I'm not going to use water. So pretty much how I do is a little different. I'm going to do a demo so you can actually see this product. So if you're looking for kind of like a review in terms of actually seeing the products in use and getting a review of how these things actually taste, that's what I'm going to do in featuring both of these that I got from Livegood. So stay tuned to the next part of the video where I'm actually going to show you how I use them. I'm going to actually show you how I use this protein shake that I just got. So I don't mix it with water. It says on the back that you should 1 scoop with water, shake it, and then drink. I'm not crazy about the water thing. I really like it as a smoothie. So I'm going to show you how I actually make that. So let's take a peek at what it looks like on the inside. I really like the vanilla. Sometimes they have chocolate. Some of these shakes have chocolate. Not crazy about the chocolate because the vanilla allows me to really mix it with a lot of different things. It gives me versatility. So protein base. This is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Just, you know, regular powder. So I'm used to that kind of stuff. You know, comes like vanilla. And I'll tell you how it smells. It smells vanilla-y. So that's pretty cool. So with that, what I do is I grab anything that you can mix it in. I have a Ninja here that I just blended up, and I just add like a bit of milk in there. And then this is where if you have like frozen berries and stuff, oh, it's great to use. So I had some winter berries, and so I'm just going to toss a couple in there. I have some pears, and I just cut them up to make it easier to blend. And I toss as much in there. Another thing I found is bananas really makes for a good smoothie. And I toss some bananas in there. So if you have bananas that are, you know, you're not going to eat them before they expire, just freeze them. And then after that, I get a big scoop. Now this scoop, ooh, boy, she's a big one. I probably won't use the full amount of the scoop that they give in there. This is a big amount, so I'll probably use that much. And I guess, you know, you kind of temper it because some of these things are sweet, so it adds a sweetness to things. So depending on, you know, how sweet you want, you might add a bit more or less. So I just fill it up halfway and then I blend it. Then I add the rest of the milk to it. It just works out easier that way. And I'm just going to blend it a bit. And so you can see it's developing a nice color. So now that's blended. I can take it off and it looks really good. And then I just add the rest of the milk to it. And then at this point, you know, if you want to stretch it, you could add some water to it. I still add milk to it. You know, if the milk is, don't have a whole lot of milk, you just add some milk and then the rest water. But the milk being the base because it gives it a more creamier taste to it. And then I blend this up back again. All right. And that's my smoothie. That's my smoothie from Livegood, the protein-based color smoothie maker. And this will keep me full like most of the day. So this kind of stuff, you drink it. So that's why I want it. You could drink it and then you could pretty much all day be full. And if you have this, let's say like with a sandwich in the morning, like sometimes I even have this with peanut butter and jelly sandwich, believe it or not. Yeah, I still like peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It really fills you up. And you could go all day, especially in the summer when you know you're busy. Just drink this and I'll tell you how it tastes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this baby is good. It's creamy, it's smooth. Oh yeah, this one is definitely a keeper. So I'm definitely gonna have this be a keeper. And I also have the organic coffee. I did a video of the organic coffee already to show people what it tastes like and how I make it. But this one was my first time getting this brand of Livegood, the protein base. I've had other ones from different companies. So that's why I bought the Livegood, because of the price. I'll probably post the price here too so you can see how much this is compared to maybe prices like in Walmart, you know, CVS, the grocery stores, any other place that you're trying to buy this stuff to make like smoothies. This is way cheaper and yes, it tastes just as good. So that was the review for the Livegood protein-based shake. I call it a shake mixer because that's what I use it for. You know, people use it for different reasons. I use it to control, I guess, eating. Because when I drink this, I like you see how I make it, it definitely fills me up. So what I was replacing was actually this one. And I'll post where I got this from and the price of it so you can see the comparison. But the reason was, you know what, I joined Livegood was to get their products. And with knowing that I could actually replace this one for a cheaper price, much cheaper price, and have an opportunity, you know what, as people build their business, I could actually make money just by being a part of their, in a sense, club. It's like a Sam's Club, you know, it's a discount Sam Club. You pay a membership to get discount products, extremely great discount products, and you'll see the difference between these two prices. So I can get different products through them by being a member of their, in a sense, you know, product club. And as people build their business around me, I definitely have the opportunity to make money at it. But my reason for joining Livegood was strictly for the products, and the opportunity of it was a second-hand nature because I knew I was going to take these products anyway, because I'm using the products anyway. So you know what, if I get it at the cheaper price and have an opportunity to make money, it's definitely a win-win. So the video was intended to really showcase the products. What I'm seeing, and I tried doing reviews or searching for reviews of people actually using it to get a sense of how they are in comparison to what I'm used to, and not really seeing a whole lot of, you know, showcasing of the products. So that's what I wanted to do, was to feature how these things are when you actually use them. So if you're looking for products that, you know, you already are using, in whatever fashion, I've seen people do the amino acids, the red beets, or those kind of products. So Livegood pretty much have any kind of nutritional things that you're already taking. You could probably find on Livegood's site, and the prices are very comparable. Actually, no, they beat comparable. They're much, much cheaper than you could get anywhere else. I've definitely looked at Walmart, you know, the CVS, the Costco, actually not Costco, because those you got to buy a membership to do, but Walmart particularly, and Target and places like those, I always check out, you know, how much these things are, and they're not cheap. So that's why when I came across Livegood, saw the prices that they have for something that I already take, it's like, okay, that was pretty much a, you know, a game changer. I'm like, I'm all on board. And so just a review to show you how these things actually look, how you actually use them, or how I use them, so you can know what, you know what, these products might actually not be bad in terms of if you are using it from somewhere else to actually be converted because of the price that Livegood offer. So stay tuned. As I get new products, I'll definitely showcase what it is and how I use them, and the review of how they taste, because you know what, that's what I wanted to kind of know when I went to Livegood, was how was these things actually tasting? Can I use these things and replace what I already have? So stay tuned. If I make some more videos about reviews of different products I get, I'll definitely post them so you can see them as well.